Welcome to Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Today I am going to be potting up a couple of Satsuma trees that just arrived this past week. I know I said I wasn't trying anything new, and I'm really going to try not to plant anything from seed that's new, but I did look at getting these Satsumas last year and they were already sold out by the time I had taken a look. And so I want to give them a go this year. I think that they will do well in our climate. However, I will have to keep them indoors for a little bit of time. And ultimately, because I have the lemon trees and now I have the Satsumas, I do want to figure out kind of what overwintering might look like. If I could figure out another plan so I didn't have to bring them indoors all the time, that would be ideal, but right now I'm not really sure how I'm going to navigate that. So next winter I might just have a whole living room full of plants and we're going to be okay with that. But anyway, I did mail order these and they arrived in a box this week, and so there's a little bit that needs to be pruned off, but otherwise they look pretty good, and I need to pot them up into something just a little bit bigger than what they're in right now. I've looked for some containers that were deep enough and I can't find anything that I have that is deep enough, so we are going to convert a couple of 5-gallon buckets into the next growing step for these Satsuma trees. First step, we need to put some drainage holes into the bottom so that all of the water is not sitting on the roots, and that's what we're going to do first. We just have a regular 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to drill some holes in here. Probably about 3 should do the trick. And now we've got 3 drainage holes. Hopefully that will be enough. If I find I need more, I can go ahead and add more in later. I'm going to do that in our second bucket and then we can plant. I'm not really sure exactly what kind of soil to put in here. I'm going to use this. It was a combination of topsoil, actually it was a garden mix, some sand and peat moss. And that's what I used for the lemon trees. I think that will do the trick for this project as well, hopefully. So the tree's pretty good size, you know, as you can see here, and the base definitely is a little bit deeper, which is why I needed something more than what I had. It came packaged really nicely. Alright, so we definitely have a very nice rootstock on this tree. And it looks like I won't need to fill up the bucket. So that's good. I might actually put a little more of a base down there. Looks like I won't have enough of the mix for both, so I'm going to add a little bit of potting soil as well. Now this little guy is having a bit of a blowout, so it's a good thing we're getting him put in the ground right away here. Oopsies. Oh dear. All right, again, very nice root system on this guy. All right, so both of these are the Otwari, I think that's how you pronounce that, Otwari Satsumas, and I think this will be a good first step for us. I'm not going to do a massive pruning or anything like that, but I did have a couple of branches that broke as it came to me, so I'm going to go ahead and trim that out just so I don't have those broken branches. And then this one, just the top here, and I think the rest of it looks good. I'm going to see if I have some citrus fertilizer, which I might sprinkle over the top if I have that. And then these little guys are going to go in the house and hopefully be happy. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today as we potted up these 2 trees, and we will see how things go and how they do. It sure would be nice to have a little bit of fresh citrus around these parts, even though Washington isn't typically known for growing citrus. I'm hopeful that I can make this work throughout the course of the summer. So we'll see how it goes, but for now, these guys are going to go in the house, and I will keep them there throughout the rest of this winter season. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to click like. I'd love to have you subscribe and be part of our community here at Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Until next time, bye everyone.